promised myself 2 things. 3 things. Sorry, 3 things, not 2. 1, I'm not going to let anyone tell me that I'm depressed. 2, I'm not doing the checkbooks or the lifting anymore. 3, I am going to be a good mother to Scott. Tomorrow get a place in a hostel. I know a woman who went there and she said it was all right. Sometimes they even help you get a job and get back on your feet. Married too young, probably. Everyone said I did. Had Scott too young anyway. Or at least, I was too young. He was bloody ancient before we even started. He grew that hedge so no one could see me. And I know that. He knows I know that. He didn't want anyone to see me. Keep me covered by a flaming bit of greenery. And if anyone asks, he'd tell them all that I left him most likely. He would have loved that. Chase, she left, mate. She's up and gone. Poor old Nightingale, they would say. Serves him right for marrying someone so young.